dongo, bongo, donga, one. Blaze Dan, I'm a lot the place, you know. And you're the best comedy.
Lads, I'm top notch, bro. You know, I pray now.
There, dog.
Eh?
You're right, you know, brother. Like
Yeah.
over came on his back, you know, brother.
Yeah.
Right now, me I pre them banana, young banana over the
Brother, them banana young, but yes, I'm a dog. Last time, I did on the road, dog. And I chat to a nice round tickers. Yeah, well thick. Yo, but guess what? She said she want to go to one new restaurant when you miss a chunk.
Yeah.
Say, brother, a top notch restaurant me I tell you about. You make me feel. Yeah. So what you know? I say I go to a restaurant, brother. And I say, Mr. Chang, deal with something for me because the first me I use a restaurant, deal with something for me. And I say, man, do you son chicken? The chicken leg them thick like it got be a feed them past steroids. But guess what? Me say dog him up there cook. But guess what? We high no see? Heart no leak. So what you know? Go check out the place and see what go on up there. Come in, we check Mr. Chang. Mr. Chang!
Nasty one!
No, guys, you can't do it. Call my nasty
Sorry.
What you want?
Give me the same thing we said me last night. Even me not even know how.
Yo, give me two white dog.
That's how me I eat that boy.
You see me selling dog? Where you get that from?
Sorry, boss. We kinda hungry, no man.
Yo, hurry up with the food.
Hurry up with the food, man. Hurry up with the food, Mr. Chang.
Alright, let me whip up mackerel, sardine. I don't know what, me I go put it to you, you know what?
Mr. Chin.
Yo, me left in a man.
Hurry up, Mr. Chin, man. You're around. Last night they were they move.
Brother.
Mr. Chin.
Right now.
Mr. Chin.
Hurry up, man. Hurry up.
Run.
Yo, you tell us the dog don't get you.
No, dog, no, me ready.
That's all right, dog, brother. You hear that?
Mr. Chin, you alright, sir?
Yeah, bossy.
Mr. Chin.
Food ready, man. I'm okay. Who want food?
Oh, this looks so, brother.
What? I chicken like this the past time, so. Okay, so. Guess what?
What?
Go.